Are you looking for the best printer under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best printer under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP LaserJet Tank 2604 SDW. Let me tell you about the latest HP LaserJet Tank 2604 SDW, a printer that's perfect for small businesses on a budget. This laser tank black and white printer is packed with features that'll make your life easier, and it won't break the bank. But what really sets this printer apart from the competition is its productivity. It's got fast two-sided printing and an automatic document feeder that can handle up to 40 pages of legal-size paper. That means you can print out huge jobs without any hassle. Also, it has built-in Wi-Fi and support for mobile printing via the HP Smart app, AirPrint, MorePria, and Wi-Fi Direct. That means you can print, scan, and copy from anywhere, anytime. How cool is that? But wait, there's more. This printer comes with pre-filled toner that can print up to 5,000 pages right out of the box. That's enough to keep your business running smoothly for up to 2 years. And when it's time to refill, the low-cost, high-yield original HP toner reload kit makes it easy to do so in just 15 seconds. No mess, no fuss. The HP LaserJet Tank 2604 SDW also has dual-band Wi-Fi with self-reset and Ethernet networking, which make it easy to share resources and stay connected without interruptions. And with HP Wolf Essential Security, you can rest assured that your documents and data are always safe and protected with password protection and privacy features. Number 2. Brother MFCL 5700DW. The Brother MFCL 5700DW is one sick all-in-one monochrome laser printer. It's got mad features for small to medium work groups, like printing, scanning, copying, and faxing capabilities. And it's fast too, printing up to 42 pages per minute with a resolution of 1200 by 1200 p. That's cray. Check it. The MFCL 5700DW's got a main input tray that can hold 250 sheets and a multi-purpose tray that can hold 50 sheets. That means you can print all kinds of documents, up to 8.5 by 14 inches, with ease. Plus, it's got a 600 by 50 sheet ADF and a standard flatbed for scanning and copying, with an optical resolution of 1200 by 1200 p. And wait for it, it's got a 3.7-inch color touch screen for checking status and making settings. Plus, it's got USB 2.0, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can print from your computer or mobile device, and even has a front USB port for flash drives. And get this, you can even network it and print from Google Drive, Evernote, OneDrive, OneNote, Dropbox, Box, Facebook, Flickr, and Picasa web albums. That's just bananas. The MFCL 5700DW can scan at an interpolated resolution of up to 19,200 by 19,200 p, and you can expand the input capacity up to 1,340 sheets with optional trays. And the scanner capability includes file, image, OCR, email, SSH server, USB SharePoint, cloud services, email servers, network folders, and more. It's like a friggin' Swiss Army knife. Number 3. Pantom BM5100A. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the absolute gem of printers, the Pantom BM5100A. This bad boy is a versatile multifunction laser printer that's ready to meet all your printing needs, no matter where you are. Whether you're at work, school, or even chillin' at home, this baby's got your back. Let me tell you a little bit about this wonder machine. It's an all-in-one printer that can print, copy, and scan with ease, and it's lightning fast, with a remarkable speed of up to 40 pages per minute. That's right, you heard me, 40 pages. You'll be able to get all your work done in no time. But wait, there's more. This printer is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Linux, Android, and Mac OS. It seamlessly integrates with all your favorite devices, ensuring a hassle-free experience. And the print quality? Let me tell you, it's downright impressive. The Pantom BM5100A produces sharp, dark prints without any lines or smears. It's the real deal, folks. Number 4. Canon Pixma G620. If you're looking for a banging printer that can spit out glossy, high-quality photos like no tomorrow, then the Canon Pixma G620 all-in-one printer is the bee's knees. This nifty little gadget is perfect for peeps who want to create some seriously stunning photos without having to leave their humble abode. What makes the Pixma G620 so great, you ask? Well, for starters, it's got a compact design that can fit in just about any nook and cranny. Plus, it uses 6 color dye-based inks, including red and gray, to produce photos with an expanded color gamut that'll make your jaw drop. But wait, there's more. The Pixma G620 can print borderless photos up to 8.5 by 11 inches in size, so you can create prints that are as big and beautiful as your heart desires. It can also print on all sorts of paper types and sizes, including 5 by 5 inches square photo paper and even up to 47 inches long. Dang, talk about versatility. And check this out, you all, the rear tray can hold up to 20 sheets of 4 by 6 inches or 10 sheets of 5 by 7 inches photo paper. That means you can print out a whole stack of your favorite pics to share with your homies and loved ones. And with the Canon Chroma Life 100 system, your photos can stay bright and beautiful for up to 100 years. That's longer than a lot of folks have been alive. Number 5. Epson EcoTank ET4850. The Epson EcoTank ET4850, a revolutionary printer that will change the way you print for good. This bad boy is designed with business owners and offices in mind, offering a low-cost and efficient printing solution. What sets the ET4850 apart is its high-capacity ink tanks, which means you can kiss those tiny and expensive ink cartridges goodbye. Epson's EcoFit ink bottles make refilling the tanks a breeze, saving you up to 90% on replacement ink costs compared to typical cartridges. The printer can even crank out up to 7,500 black pages and 6,000 color pages, which is like using 90 separate ink cartridges. That's right, folks. With the ET4850, you won't have to stress about running out of ink for a couple of years since it stores up to 2 years worth of ink in the unit. Plus, this function may help reduce the amount of cartridge waste ending up in landfills. But wait, there's more. The ET4850 produces exceptional print quality thanks to its innovative precision core heat-free technology and pigment black ink, resulting in sharp text and stunning color photos and graphics on any type of paper. And with a robust paper handling system, including automatic two-sided printing and a 250-sheet paper capacity, you can enjoy high productivity without worrying about paper jams or constantly refilling the paper tray.